Hey guys and gals, I'm annoying now. So I was asleep now, and then I just and all was here. I heard like a loud boom of thunder. That was probably a dream, and I woke up. So it was thunder, so it's not probably a dream, but I looked out there, but I was down here. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning. That's what they said, sunny, yeah, it's sunny. And yet that was your lie. It's getting really rainy. There's some kind of windstorm or something. Yeah, I can see it. Oh, hang on. Today I want to see. You gotta see it. I'm trying. This is a storm. Wow, it's raining. No, there's not. I didn't see it. It's raining. So that's kind of dark, but I was using thunder anymore. Here comes the wind. Glad I got when the wind was. Oh, you shot lightning, guys, and out. Whoa! Holy crap! That's something else.
Wow. Stop!
What?
Did you hear that snap?
Yeah.
That was lightning.
Yeah. Some idiot had to
Ow! Oh.
nearby strike. He must have got struck by lightning. That's the only thunderstorm. There's 2 more. There's a tornado. Hopefully not a tornado. Because there's a tornado watch, but I was hoping a way out of it. And sometimes they can't look at it. Some pictures. Because they said it's sunny. This is not sunny. It is isolated. So it's isolated. Well, the thunderstorm's isolated, but they didn't say. Hopefully, we'll get more snaps. Because it was louder. The other one was loud, but it wasn't as loud. I don't know, Luna's always scared. It's my cat. We got loud thunder in the video. Someone got struck by lightning. I also got struck by lightning. Hopefully my mom's fans with how well it's gonna be a whole week. I don't think it was that much anything. I bet I had it struck something. This so it must be strong. It must be under a special weather statement, guys and gals. Like freaking cloudy brown white lightning. Ain't that much thunder right now. It was a whole bunch before. No, I don't know if I have lightning here. If there's lightning strike, you better close this window. Why are the windows open? If I get struck by lightning, I probably get cars from yesterday. It was like sunny yesterday. It was a thunderstorm. I was seeing thunderstorms. I was seeing like, because of the great clouds. They was just probably rotating. It was getting blue. So look, wind. What? I heard some thunder. Dude, I know what different ways now. See, when I woke up other times, so earlier we were hearing a cat meowing. I woke up, there was like no thunder nothing else. I heard a cat meowing. Want to see if it's a feral cat or not. I can't see it. To that, and now I heard, now I think up again, well, my dog was in here. And after that, I woke up again, and there's still nothing. I went back and went at, and then I went just, well, here's the storm's over with. Can't really tell though, because, it's blue. It's the ice lids in the storm. Let's see. No. That's part of the thunderstorm. How they come and see that. I was thing, but it's just part of the thunderstorm. Yeah, I shoot 2 clouds there in the thunderstorm. I will study as I can. I can even see it now. But 2 clouds. Yeah, I bet it's kind of invisible thunderstorm. They're totally visible. When the clouds have the vision. Because it's the vision. It's not okay. To go with. Yeah, it's like no thunder. A big boom happened. Clouds and hail. It's probably strong thunderstorm. It was not supposed to be. We're talking about sunny, but not sunny. Yeah, we have to search my house to see if everything's okay. We have to wait till we don't hear any thunder at all. Oh, yeah. Otherwise, bye for now. So if anything, okay, guys and gals. So if anything else happens, I'll put on video. I'm gonna come catch it. So otherwise, bye for now. Well, bye.